Find the equation of the curve which passes through the point 3, 6 and for which dy dx equal to 2x multiplied by x minus 3. Here you are given an expression for dy dx. You need to find y from here. For finding y, you will integrate this. Integration of 2x into x minus 3 dx. 2x square, 2 into, after integrating x square becomes x cube by 3 minus 6 into x, after integration x become x square divided by 2 plus c. 2 by 3x cube minus 3x square plus c. We found the expression for y, but we still don't know the value of c. You are given that your curve passes through 3, 6. Therefore, we will put 6 for y and we will put 3 in places of x. Therefore, c is 15. So, we will put the value of c here, y equal to 2 by 3x cube minus 3x square plus 15. This is the equation of the curve which passes through the point 3, 6 and for which the expression of gradient is dy dx equal to 2x multiplied by x minus 3.